Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy KsaJamaly back with another video. In this video, we are going to repair RTX 3070. So let's start the video. First, let's check the 12 volt rail. So 12 volt rail, there is no short at the PCI Express port. Now let's check it 8 pin connector, and we can find there is a short there. So there is not that this is not so good. So one of the dermos might have been blown out, or multiple dermos have been blown out. So let's check the dermos. So let's check from the bottom one. So bottom one is showing us good value. This one is also showing the good value. Upper, okay, that's not good. It's showing us short. Let's go above. This one is it's not. It's giving us a good value. The above one is showing us a short. Oh, yeah, it is showing us short. And let's check for the above. That is also shorted. 12 volts are shorted here, and this one 12 volts are shorted here as well. So above the fourth, this thermos have been shorted, and they might have been have powering on from the 8 pin connector. So let's check under the microscope and see if there is a burnt or any unusual signs in the above 4 ICs. So this is the microscopic view. So let's check from the bottom IC. This IC seems to be good. The bottom ones are good. So we have to look the upper one. So the first and second IC seems to be little bit burnt out. It's very much blackish in color. So let's remove it. So I've removed first and second IC, and this IC seems to be bad. Now check 8 pin connector for short. So there is no short at the 8 pin connector. So this IC is a very much blackish color, so it seems to be burnt out. So now check the 12 volts PCI Express connector, and there is no short there. So this is a good sign, there is no short throughout the board. And now I will change this IC and give you a microscopic view. So guys, I've replaced it with the new ICs, and now I will just clean this IC, the soldering that has been left there. We will clean it, and we will check through the microscope that all the pins are perfectly connected in the board. guys, all the pins have been perfectly connected in the boards, and you can see that there is there is no short now here. And let's check the another IC. This is also perfectly connected. All the pins have connected, and there is no breaching of the pins with each other. So now let's power on the card and let's see if this gives us a display or not. So in the micro I show you I've replaced both the ICs and this one. So now let's power on the card. So we have power on the card, and let's see if it's giving us a display or not. Okay, we saw a beep sign, and yes, it's giving us a display. That's a good sign. And now I will assemble the card and give you an update of it. So guys, I've installed the card and assembled the card and installed it in the motherboard. And from the screen you can see that the drivers are also installed perfectly fine, and RTX 3070 has been detected, and 8 GB VRAM is also detecting. So the card has been fixed successfully. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and please give your valuable feedback. So guys, see you next time with a new video and new topic. Bye. Thank you for watching.